The COVID-19 pandemic has disrupted supply chains, challenging the manufacturing industry like never before. The need of the hour is to bring production and sourcing closer to end users, averting the implicit risks in centralized production. For the world of today, reverse engineering and additive manufacturing are key to short turnaround times and large-scale production. But first, manufacturers need a robust digital backbone, one that helps move critical applications to the cloud, manage data security, and leverage automation to reduce supply chain risks. Let's collaborate to build smarter systems that can do more with less. Let's be resilient.